In this video, let's take a look at the way that you can fix the WhatsApp notification delay. Whenever you receive a message or any sort of notification, you're not being able to receive it instantly and all of those notifications are being delayed. In this situation, the first thing that you can try out is to ensure that the background data is enabled. To ensure that, you can just tap and hold the app of WhatsApp and then head over to this eye icon or this app info. From this settings page, if you scroll down, see the option called mobile data and make sure that allow background data users is selected. If you also have the option of Wi-Fi, make sure that inside of Wi-Fi as well, your background data users is enabled. Secondly, what you can also try out from within this setting is you'll need to head over to the battery option and make sure that this is selected to unrestricted. Once you try out both of these steps, try to see if any notifications that you're being received. After doing both of these steps, try to see if you can now receive the notifications in time. If you're still having issues, also make sure that try to keep the WhatsApp on the recent list. So do not clear WhatsApp from the recent list so that it also ensures that you receive notifications on time. Also, what you can try out is try to clear the WhatsApp cache. Again, head back to the same settings page and right here you'll see the section of storage and then right here tap on the clear cache option. Now apart from this, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the WhatsApp from your device and then again reinstall it. What this ensures is that you have the latest version of the application and any sort of glitches or bugs which might be causing the issue are immediately fixed. So if this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.